Today I'm going to teach you how to add leave in your Outlook calendar. This is a really useful feature that lets you block out time when you're away and automatically shows your colleagues that you're out of office, making it easier for everyone to know when you're unavailable. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving on to the next step, as this ensures all your calendar data syncs properly. Once everything has loaded, navigate to your calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see a calendar icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from emails to your calendar interface where you can manage all your appointments and schedule. From your calendar menu, click on the New Appointment option on the top left part of your home menu. This opens up a fresh appointment window where you can configure all the details for your leave. Start by entering the title for this appointment. You might write something like annual leave or out of office, depending on what works best for you. Next, set the date and time for your leave using the start time and end time date pickers. Make sure you select the correct dates that cover your entire leave period. If you're taking multiple days off, ensure both the start and end dates reflect that accurately. Once you've configured the dates, you can add additional details at the bottom part of this window. This is a good place to mention any emergency contact information or let people know when you'll be back. Now, before saving and closing, look at the Appointment tab. You'll see an Options section here. Look for the Show as drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic happens. From this drop-down, select the Out-of-Office status. This setting ensures that during your leave, anyone who checks your calendar will immediately see that you're unavailable. It also helps with automatic email replies and meeting scheduling conflicts. Once you've set the out-of-office status, click on Save and Close. Your leave is now officially added to your Outlook calendar, and your status will reflect that you're away during those dates. And there you have it. You've successfully added leave to your Outlook calendar with the proper out-of-office status. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.